If you've got a JBL, Sony, or even a no-name portable Bluetooth speaker, I'll show you how to easily fix a damaged charging port. This method is also useful if you want to upgrade or replace the speaker's charging port, from mini or micro USB to USB-C for more convenient charging. The first task is to disassemble the speaker enough to reach the broken socket and the charging board. You can find how to disassemble your specific speaker by searching on YouTube. Unscrew the board and remove it. But remember, if you disconnect any wires, always mark them or take a photo so you know how they were placed. Soldering a new socket is very challenging and difficult. When the old port breaks off, the traces on the main board often get damaged too. That's why I recommend using a housing-type socket. Not the old micro USB, but a more convenient USB-C type. Check whether the new socket fits in the existing hole or if you need to make a new one. If the new replacement socket doesn't interfere with the main board, enlarge the hole just enough so the socket can be securely fixed to the speaker housing. Next, solder two wires to the board. It's important to follow the polarity correctly. Don't mix up the positive and negative, or the speaker could burn out. On the new socket, the labels are shown. G means ground, minus, and V means voltage, plus. In my case, the plus and minus markings were also visible on the board. If you don't see them on your board, search on Google to find which pins on your damaged socket are positive and negative. The next step is to glue the socket firmly in place. For extra strength, also use screws so the charging port can withstand hundreds of charging cycles. Do a final check to make sure the new port doesn't interfere with the main board. Then, solder the wires from the board to the socket. Here you must be 100% precise, connecting plus to plus and minus to minus. Screw the board back in and connect the charger to test the new socket. Cool! Everything works! I've not only repaired the speaker, I've upgraded it.